Go!
The pioneer of this next gen SOK. So we have 3 SOK. You can order them.
Welcome to this special occasion, McDonald's Iloilo Business Park Media Day 2024. Michelle?
Nice! I love the energies. They're ready. Kids and adults. Okay, ready? Hip hip!
Hooray!
Nice. Louder! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Yeah.
Pleasure to have you here today for your busy Sunday schedule. So thank you very much for sparing a time.
Introduce to you the management team of the store. So if you have any concerns, questions, you may ask them when we start to open a store starting tomorrow.
McDonald's Iloilo Business Park. Let me to introduce my whole management team. So,
Hi, thank you Marisa and the rest of the team. Thank you very much.
Head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, shoulder.
3, 4, 4, 4.
Hello, Hamburglar. Welcome. Wow. Nice. Our purple fuzzy friend. Oh. Hindi kasha. Excuse daw. Excuse daw sa aming agreements, everyone.
Yeah.
Binusog kasi na dessert. Nabusog pa yan. Oh, slowly. Oh. Ayan. Wow, welcome, Goodness and Hamburglar.
Guys, for the opening of McDonald's Iloilo Business Park. So after more than 2 months now, we're opening again our McDonald's here in our township in Iloilo.
Medium fries. Ayan. So, hi!
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.